anything it wants. The Commerce Clause gives the Congress the right to regulate interstate commerce. Its original intent was to enable Congress to keep commerce between the states regular, to keep it moving by preventing the states from imposing tariffs on each other. One of the most devastating Supreme Court cases for those who believe in the Constitution was a case called Wickard against Filburn. In this 1942 case, a farmer named Roscoe Filburn from Montgomery, Ohio, wanted to grow wheat to feed his family and his chickens. The wheat he grew was entirely consumed on his farm, and it was never sold. Thus, it never moved across interstate lines. And since it was neither bought nor sold, it wasn't commerce. Nevertheless, the government, under FDR's Soviet-style central planning, fined Roscoe Filburn for growing too much wheat. The government argued that because the farmer was growing the wheat, he would not purchase the wheat on an open market. It also argued that if all other similarly situated farmers did the same, their decisions in the aggregate would affect interstate commerce. And therefore, Farmer Filburn's actions, which consisted of using the wheat in his barn and his kitchen, could be regulated by the federal bureaucracy. Essentially, the federal government was punishing him for growing too much wheat and not buying any from his neighbors. At the time, FDR was trying to outdo his friend, Russian dictator Joseph Stalin, in centrally planning the economy. The court sided with the government and ruled that under the Commerce Clause, the federal government did have the right to limit this farmer's wheat production.